Hello, my name is Mike Uniac and I'm the owner of Advantage Home Performance. We are a full-service heating and air conditioning company that specializes in resolving high utility bills, comfort complaints, and indoor air quality problems. In this short video, I'll provide an overview of the audit and repair process. I'll also introduce the great utility programs we're proud to participate in. Our auditors routinely find a combination of building defects that are the cause of high utility bills, comfort complaints, and indoor air quality problems. The first major defect we find is missing and poorly installed insulation. This is a huge problem in Arizona homes. This is blown insulation over a master bathroom that tapers down to bare sheetrock. The customer paid for an R30, which in this case is 8 inches of insulation. This is an uninsulated wall between the house and the attic. Notice the bare sheetrock with an R value of less than 1. Missing insulation can have a profound impact on a home's comfort and utility bills. This house in Mesa has a ceiling temperature of 111 degrees Fahrenheit at 12:30 in the afternoon. As seen from the attic, this area has almost no blown insulation and uninsulated knee walls. The same ceiling as seen through our infrared camera. In this image, white is warm and shows heat radiating into this living room. Another common defect our auditors locate is open chases that are the sites of significant air leakage and heat transfer. We find these problems around chimneys, drop soffits, plumbing penetrations, etc. Fiberglass bats don't work as a thermal barrier when installed over chases and drop soffits. The last building defect I have time to introduce is duct leakage. We see small duct leaks like this in almost every system we test. The duct leaks only get larger and larger. Duct leakage contributes significantly to high utility bills, dust accumulation, and indoor air quality problems. When your air conditioner is running, a return duct leak will suck hot and dusty air straight out of your attic and then distribute it into your home. This disconnected supply duct is cooling the attic in the summer and heating it in the winter. Don't be fooled and think that because your home is custom built that it will be free of these types of problems. We know from experience that the more complicated the architecture, the more likely our auditors will find these building defects as well as others. We perform comprehensive energy audits to locate building defects. This process starts with a client meeting where the auditor gets a clear understanding of the homeowner's concerns. We perform extensive inspections of the house, attic, and crawl space so we thoroughly understand the home. We perform a blower door test to measure house airtightness. This helps us determine if the house is too leaky or too airtight. The blower door also helps us locate air leaks. Most homeowners are surprised to learn that the doors and windows are not the biggest source of air leakage. We use an infrared camera to locate missing insulation. The infrared camera can see temperature differences down to 1/10 of a degree. To solve problems in uncomfortable rooms, we use a flow hood to measure if the room is getting the proper amount of airflow to satisfy the room's cooling or heating needs. Although this is not a utility audit program requirement, this tool provides us valuable diagnostic information. For health and safety purposes, we perform testing on all combustion appliances and check for gas leaks. The best part of the audit is that it will only cost you $99 because it's being subsidized by your utility. APS, SRP, and Unisource all participate in this program and state in their marketing literature that the audit is a $300 to $500 value. These same utilities also provide generous rebates for air barrier work, duct sealing, insulation, shade screens, and higher efficiency mechanical systems. After the audit, we spend as much time in our office as we did at your home running thermal analysis software. We also generate recommendations and a quote for repairs. If you decide to proceed with energy improvements, we perform the work with our in-house crews. Our crews replace heating and air conditioning systems. Proper design and installation is critical to the performance of your new system. We replace undersized, constricted, and damaged ductwork. According to APS, a typical home in Phoenix could save 15% annually on their heating and cooling bill by having their air distribution system properly sealed. To improve the integrity of the thermal pressure envelope, we cap open chases and seal plumbing and electrical penetrations. We install both conventional insulation and spray foam insulation. Solving insulation problems yields real dividends because small thermal defects have a huge impact on overall thermal performance. Most people do not realize that 5% missing insulation equates to a 54% drop in R value. We manufacture and install shade screens. Shade screens can dramatically reduce the runtime on your air conditioner, and if your AC is not running, you are saving money. Why bother with multiple contractors when you can work with one dedicated contracting company that offers one comprehensive solution? At Advantage Home Performance, we take pride in delivering results for our customers. For evidence of our ability to solve problems, please watch the other video on our homepage titled, "Our Customers Say It Best." Thank you.